Hello guys, this has been a long time since I've been recording this, but I am back with the Game Maker tutorial series. You see, there were a lot of things that happened between the last video and now, and I have left somewhere while making the menu, but I done a lot of things during this time, and but while it's open, why I did not was posting any video. Well, firstly because I thought my channel will be destroyed on the 10th December, and then I felt I think I should do it on January, and then it's and so I done a lot of things. I just press the load so it loads. In the meanwhile, before last time, now I have perfected the shop. Levels 1 has created. So look, I even add this option menu, the one tower that shoots bullets that disappear after a time, and the range. I think it needs something more. Okay, definitely is missing something, boys, but not to worry, we will be fixing it. And as it continues, I will be showing all the things that I have done in the meanwhile. This menu and this menu to upgrade it, like this is for twice, it does not shoot right now, and this is on the red upgrade. This also does not shoot right now, but we will make it happen. Things happen. And yeah, that's what we'll be doing. See, this is a example scenario. We'll be making something on our own, and I have just devolved it. I think 2 evolution should be enough for everyone. Yeah, no need to go the third route. So yeah, that what we'll be doing. But before we continuing from where I have left, I will be showing every single sprite that I have made, and in case you have missed, one by one, you see, this, this. Yeah, I've been real busy. Background, paths, intersections, scripts. Scripts are important for save and loads, fonts, and whole damn lot of objects. Like there are 4 button objects, 2 shop, 1 gem and 1 shop object, 2 persistent object, 3 this objects, currently 1 bullet object, 2 enemy, 1 spawner, 1 ground, and 2 tower object. There are a lot of things we'll be covering in this next few parts to cover. Oh, it's only been 3 minutes. Oh, then I can show you something I want to you know load off. I guess I currently don't remember the word. I seriously am bad with words. So first easiest thing, and let's get these out of the way. Done. uh, easy. It take me a lot of thoughts for thinking what the enemies would be look like actually. And so save. Easiest thing first, France. This is F0, size 36. Okay, why did it stop? Who knows? FT1, that was FT0. This is FT1, size 24. FT2, size 18. FT3, size 12. And GT small, size 7. Yeah, there's GT. The scripts are scr save. So let's go over this. This is basically a copy pasted version of what I found on another series. The link will be in the description of that series. That explains it much more easier, but see, I have created save data object, variable. I made it a data server map, database map created. Then object gods, from god I have made all this saved in these variables, and from currency this. Then save string, I made an object variable which saves encodes it so it can't be hackable, the data. And the name, yeah, so I hope you are reading this fine, because that link is basically what you're gonna do. This is the load of, yeah, that this is load. No, this is supposed to be deleted. This is no need. This is the main load. This is basically same stuff, but reversed to load. And I'm not gonna go over this too because link has already been provided. So menu is easy. Height is 160 by 64. I choose in one color like this, red. It's hat hue, this is easier, hue 0, sat 234, lum 105. And this is upper line, for this the button menu. And you know what, there should be a menu about buttons video, so just do that and color in different colors. Did I show you guys that there is a lock system in here? I really should watch my previous videos. I really should. But anyway, so the buttons is basically covered. And I think we also, yeah, currency and market. 3, 4. I think we finished those as well. Yeah, we did. We did. So the menu was clear, reference clear. This was a small 32 by 32 object sprite you need to make for something useful. And the turns, this is spawner. Basically I try to write s on it here. Basically spawns our enemy. This is important, by the way. So half the capacity, half the opacity, and fill it black, and then full the opacity and try to rest s on it. That should do it. So that's the spawner. This is SPRST. I have no idea what did I make that for, but this is basically the same thing without S. We will be going over that. These are turns. I think I need to go over them as well. Basically these are nothing 8 by 8 objects. 8 by 8 objects.